means,
Ma'am,
but
did you receive mine?
definitely. So Anas, this is something we need to fix, okay, in your schedule.
No,
Let's
ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, it's nothing, ma'am. It's just, ma'am, he sleeps in the bed means he lie down and
Ma'am, it is unhealthy.
Anas, you
he
don't have screen time, Anas.
Wait, ma'am.
Screen
he has
time.
no
Same
TV,
time.
ma'am. He has no TV. Morning में और
Oh my God! Morning he watches TV. Then I like
You
the
did
part where
not
he's
do
playing with
homework.
his. Ah, right there. See, Anas, you don't have time for homework. You like doing time
Time pass
pass.
comes in homework.
Acha,
And yes,
look
time
at him,
pass
right?
comes in homework and playing all that.
No.
Ma'am,
See,
can you show mine?
1 minute. I have another schedule. I have just picked very few. I have picked very few schedules. This is the pattern I really appreciate and like. This is Aisha Kazi's schedule routine. Okay, so 8:30 she wakes up, Fajar Gul. Then- and she states that it is unhealthy, all right? She's telling that it's unhealthy. Then 9 a.m. she does her breakfast, all right, which is healthy. 9:30 to 10, sometimes read Quran, okay, healthy. 10 to 1 school, definitely healthy. 1 to 1:30 lunch, healthy. 1:30 to 2:30 do nothing is unhealthy. Aisha, I disagree. I disagree because I feel somewhere you need rest. So if you do nothing, is also doing something, and that's the best. So please change that. I don't want that to be unhealthy. It is healthy. Okay. At times, doing nothing is healthy because there's so much that we are doing throughout the day. So then 2:30 to 3:30 Hives healthy. Yes. 3:30 to 5 screen time. Um, she's saying it's healthy, but according to me, it's somewhere unhealthy. More
It's so
than an
much.
hour.
Ma'am,
More
what is
than an hour.
screen time?
Screen time can be on a screen. You are in front of the screen. So basically, it can be your if you're watching a TV or you're on your mobile watching videos, playing games. Okay, social media. That's screen time. All right. So whenever you're in front of the screen, that's your screen time. Okay. Aisha, not only do you attend 3 hours of school every day in front of the screen, you are also spending more than an hour with the screen or the gadget. So I feel that time needs to be changed a little. I rather have you not do anything for an hour
ma'am,
than
you
you.
know some people. I know some people they do screen time from 2 to 5. 3 hours, ma'am.
What
That's
is
kind
screen
of
time,
like
ma'am?
me. Either I do some, either I have finished my work or I do live.
That's not fun. I'm sorry. That's absolutely not fun. What to find screen? What to
Did not do.
Exactly. All right. 3:30 to
Ma'am, we
5.
have to open MS Word.
Yes, MS Word. Okay, then prayer, snacks, and play. Healthy, definitely. But only half an hour for playing, prayer, and snacks. Like, what? Three things, 10 minutes you do everything, 10 minutes of playtime. Rather, I have you play then.
Ma'am, 1 hour 30 minutes, ma'am.
1 hour 30 minutes.
5 to 6:30, not 6 to 6:30, ma'am.
Just the 5 to sorry. Thank you, yeah. 6:30 to 7:30, 1 hour, go for walk, healthy, definitely. 7:30 to 9. Okay. Prayer, dinner, family time, healthy, yes. 9 to 10:30, 1.5 hour, math, readings. Again! Look at this girl. She's addicted
Healthy
to
and
the
healthy.
screen. She's addicted to the
used to
screen.
first see, but my father told not so much screen time, so then we cut the night time screen time. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
They Roblox.
Please cut it down. I rather not see that. Okay, healthy 10:30 go to sleep. So when you cut the screen time, I think 10 o'clock you can go to sleep. I think that's fine. You know, you
Ma'am, I
guys,
sleep at 12 o'clock.
the age that you are
Me
the
too, ma'am.
at,
12, ma'am. Me
you
too.
all need 8 hours of sleep. Minimum 8 hours of sleep.
हाँ तो मैम मेरे को मिलता है 8 आवर्स ऑफ स्लीप, उससे भी ज्यादा मिलता है मेरे को.
Ma'am, can I tell you one thing?
12 noon, 12 midnight you sleep. Yeah, keep quiet.
Yes ma'am, I get to sleep
And
more.
you-
1 2 3 4 5 5 कुछ उठते हैं.
5:45 you all get up.
Yes ma'am. Yeah.
By the way,
या 6 बजे सोता था, नमाज पढ़ता, आंख से भूल सीधा सो गया, खाता भी था कुछ नहीं.
oh, so that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, changes in the schedule can be, yes, wake up at 6, 1:30 to 2:30 reading. Where did it go? 1:30 to 2:30. Do nothing. No. Do nothing.
And
Screen
nothing.
time, you cut the screen time. Okay, I want you to do nothing. Just lie down on your bed and don't think anything. Empty mind. No. 12 p.m. sleeping is too bad. That's not healthy.
Ma'am, it is healthy. Can you share my timetable?
You know
I
that
sleep.
I went to Aurangabad and then guests came at my house. Na, so all the small kids slept, and me and my parents and all the guests, we all stayed stayed awake till 2 o'clock at night.
Why you? I understand all the adults. Why were you awake, madam? Yes, you should have slept with the kids.
Ma'am, it is Yaya's, na?
Yeah, yes. That's
Can
right.
you show my?
Okay, yeah, schedule. Acha, yeah, first of all, the
Ma'am,
format of your
I
schedule.
can see the handwriting only and tell it is yeah.
True. Hamza, why are you crossing out? Don't do that.
Not my daily routine. Everybody wrote my daily routine. So
Yeah, it's because their daily routine.
Yeah, because only daily routine we also do now.
No, but it's fine if they're writing my daily routine. I don't see any problem. They will not write Hamza's daily routine, no?
Yeah, but that's
So they want to specify that it's theirs, so it's fine. I'm-
the same thing. For my daily routine and my daily reading, they are the same.
Hamza, if my is okay, because I didn't write my daily.
Hamza, don't you feel it's their choice whether they want to put mine
I
or they
never do
don't want to
walking.
put mine?
And
Come on. This is Yaya's daily routine. Huh? Yaya, first of all, the format. Time should have been written at one side and the activities on the other side. Okay. Wake up at 5:45 a.m. That's 5:45. Go to the loo, brush my teeth and do wudu, go for salah, and then eat something. Then sleep and wake up at 9:45, 15. Aish, just 45 minutes before class. Get ready for school, eat breakfast, and then Zoom. I like that part. And then Zoom. Okay. And open Zoom. Okay. And attend class till 1 p.m. Take mobile.
Ma'am, Umar was laughing.
I know. Oh, I can't get it out of my brain.
One game.
Oh, mobile for 15. Chalo, let's make a schedule. Yeah, everything is wrong with your schedule.
no, ma'am, everything is correct, ma'am.
No, we need to change it. We need to be
Ma'am, my
precise.
everything is healthy. You did not show my timetable. First on a rough paper I wrote the unhealthy and then I changed and I made the final timetable on the rough.
So we
on
come to the
fair.
Google documents, everybody. You all know how to use.
Tab.
Who doesn't have?
One tab.
Oh,
Ma'am,
tab, okay.
I am also
Those
in
who
tab.
are on mobile and tablets, those who are on mobile, listen. Shh. Those who are on mobile and tablets, kindly open
Ma'am.
notes or documents or
Ma'am,
notepad.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have MS Word.
MS Word, open MS Word.
Ma'am, I have MS Word
Oh, open MS Word, bhai.
and tab.
Ma'am, I have notes. What should I do?
Good for you. Yeah. Notes.
Ma'am, I have document.
Ma'am, if I will open MS Word, how I will know that what you are writing?
You come on Zoom and then you go back there.
So mushkil.
Otherwise, take a paper then. I just wanted to
MS
share.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, my is healthy now.
Seema,
we'll see that. Yeah. We'll design a routine for Yaya. Come on, everybody.
ma'am, virtual keypad.
Okay, let's design a routine for Yaya. So I went on insert, as you can see my screen, and I clicked on table.
Ma'am, can I
Yeah.
say a routine for Yaya?
Yeah, sure. We all are discussing now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
wait.
Before writing our own routines, we'll first discuss a routine for Yaya. Let's make a
Ma'am,
routine for Yaya.
wait. 5:45 से 12 o'clock screen time for Yaya.
Jump out of the window. Okay.
No, it's not like that. It's 12 to 24. Or 1 to
1, 2, 3, 4.
ma'am, what are you writing, ma'am? Please tell her.
Okay, sorry. I took table and I
I'll
selected
open
4
Word.
boxes. Yeah. On MS Word, I selected 4
Ma'am, I
boxes.
don't have MS Word.
You just watch on Zoom what I'm doing. Okay. And in the first row, I wrote time and activity. Okay. Now I'm going to select this, go on home, and click on the center alignment. So both time and activity have come at the center. Clear so far, everybody? Ibrahim, why are you so dazed?
I'm not dazed, ma'am. I'm just.
Ma'am, it's at 2 o'clock.
Huh? Umar, your routine also had few things
What, ma'am?
which I wanted to change. You have a routine with you right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, get it. Everybody, those who've written their routine and I did not show it in class, get it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what table? 4 into 4 table, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do you know you wrote our
See, Abdullah, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, ma'am,
Huh.
except
Ma'am, how, ma'am? Show.
Virat Kohli, I wrote Virat Kohli.
1, 2, 3, 4. Aisa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. After we are done with that, okay, I wanted to show you one thing. Like I have selected only 4, but definitely we need more rows. Okay, in the
And
table
it's
as we go on preparing our routine. So what you can do is you can bring your cursor over here, right hand side at the last row, and when you press enter, it gives you a new row. Did you get? Yeah. Can you see my cursor over here blinking at the bottom of the
How did you
row?
do it? Can you hear that?
Yeah, I'll show it to you. Everybody just look at my screen right now on Zoom. When I bring my cursor outside the table near the last row, and when I press enter, a new row comes down. Okay, so I don't have to insert too many rows altogether. This is how you insert a row in the MS Word when you have a table. Is it clear so far? Do you want to try that?
Ma'am,
Try inserting 2 rows.
ma'am, can I say my table routine?
Yeah, 1 minute. Umar, I'll come back to you after we discuss Yahiya's routine.
Okay.
Are you all with me? Everybody, Hamza, Aisha, Fazlani, Rujda.
Please on your phone anyway. I don't have MS Word, so I'm just looking in the screen.
Okay. All right. And if you want to delete a row, suppose you've made a row extra, okay? So what you can do is you can place your cursor on the left hand side. You see this white, your cursor changes into this white arrow when you bring it on your left. When you bring it on your left, your cursor changes into this white arrow. When you click, the entire row gets selected. Okay, your entire row gets selected.
Ma'am, right or left?
Left. On your left, when you put the cursor, it turns into one white arrow. And with that white arrow, when you
Which click? Right click or left click?
left click. Left click. So the entire row gets selected. Okay. Then what you can do is on your after selecting the entire row, you can go on design design
On your phone.
in the toolbar. You can go on design. No, sorry, layout. Sorry, I'm so sorry. You can go on layout. That's towards the end. On your toolbar, you can go on layout. And right over here is delete.
Ma'am, usse acha you can do backspace.
You can.
Yes.
Ah!
And
I learned it from you, bro. Thank you so much. Yes, you can just select the row and do backspace. Wow. I had no idea. I super genius. Okay. So this is how you add rows and you delete rows in a Word document if you're working on a table.
yeah, by left hand.
He did. Still we'll discuss this with you. When he comes, we'll surprise him. Ta-da! Okay. Come on. What was Yaya's first thing? When does Yaya wake up? What time? 5:45 he wakes up. Or should we go ahead with Umar's routine? Whose routine are we designing, children?
Yeah, bhai.
Yaya is not in class. Ibrahim is also not in class. Why? Oh my god, so many people left.
I think connection went up there.
Okay. Umar, we'll work on your routine. Come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 minutes ago, the header came in. How do I remove it? It's not going.
Okay. Abdullah, share your screen. Because if I don't see, I'll not be able to help you.
I know the 10.
Right.
Ma'am, this
Abdullah,
header came in.
go on header, down arrow. Yes. Yes. Click on that. Remove header. Come down. Extremely down. Remove header. Down. Yeah.
It's not going, ma'am.
Then close header and footer. That's it.
Done. Ma'am, how do I add a new slide, ma'am?
So Abdullah, towards the second row, right hand side,
Yes.
second row, place your cursor there. You have to click over there. Outside the table. Outside the table. Okay. Now press enter.
Okay.
There you go. And if you want to delete it, then you come on the yes. Select and
then-
backspace. No. You have to select the row first. No, Abdullah, do not click on the plus sign. It's just adding. Now backspace. Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I say
Yes, go ahead.
I also want to show you.
Okay, 1 minute.
8 to 9?
Ma'am, after Umar, I will say.
Hey, where is Yaya? Ibrahim?
Ma'am, actually our Wi-Fi just tripped up, so we are just trying to connect.
I told you now. The Wi-Fi.
Ma'am, can I also show you?
Anas, show me and then we move on.
8 to 9, brush and break.
8 to 9. 1 hour for brushing.
Ma'am,
Umar,
no.
what time you wake up? Wake up time.
Ma'am, 8 o'clock.
Perfect.
And then 8 to 9, I put Tashma and all the bistar and brush and breakfast, all that. And
Ma'am,
then
you see, ma'am?
I saw Anas. It's correct.
9.
Umar, let me note it down. 1 minute. 8 o'clock you wake up.
brush.
After Umar, can I say?
Yes. Umar, 8
Wake up.
o'clock you wake up and
Ma'am, whose duty it is?
Breakfast.
yeah. You went off
Yes, ma'am. My
because of
network
your
was.
internet. Yes. So now decide who should we go with, Umar or
Then
Yahya?
first go with Umar, then you can.
Okay. Umar,
Brush and breakfast.
wake up, brush. Okay, then
Ma'am, you have to write 8 to 9.
that's fine. Then 9 o'clock, what you start doing?
9 to 9:30, I ready my laptop.
9.
there is a very big table, I have to shift it. Then
Right,
we
right,
have
right. So
then
set
10
for
to 1 o'clock school.
set for school. That's what you do. Okay.
And then
Then
10 to 1 o'clock school.
10 o'clock you sit for, you will write GS. Then 1 o'clock, what do you do?
1 o'clock to 2 o'clock TV and dinner.
Lunch plus
Dinner.
screen time.
Then 2 to 4 it's my Hifz Arabic.
From 2 you sit for Hifz. Quran Hifz karte na?
हाँ.
Then 4 o'clock.
Then 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock study.
Study. Then 5.
Then 5 to 6 games. Then 6 to
Ma'am,
7.
you have written set, ma'am. It is sit.
Huh?
You have
Set
written
up for
set
school. He sets the table and all for school.
Ma'am, do we have to write all this?
No, you don't have to write this. This is Omar's timetable. Okay.
And then 6 to 7 outdoor play.
Ma'am, I wrote for Umar.
You did?
I thought we have to write.
7 to 8.
No, Abdullah. We are, you know what? We'll just frame our own timetable. So right now, I'm just giving you an example of how we are going to write on a soft copy, and then hopefully we'll print it out or we'll just stick it on a cupboard. Like, you know, that's the whole purpose of getting your routines done. Okay, 6 to 7 you play outdoor games.
And 7 to 8 bath and rest.
7 o'clock. Aish, what did I do? Control C.
Ma'am.
7 o'clock you freshen up. Okay. Plus you rest. Alright. Then
8 o'clock to 9 o'clock old revision.
what do you do?
8 o'clock to 9 o'clock old revision
Old revision.
of his.
Oh. Then
9 o'clock to 9:45 dinner.
9.
10 to 10:30 story, then sleep.
9:45 you have dinner. 15 minutes of time, grace period here and there. 10 o'clock you have your story time.
And sleep then. 10:30 sleep.
10:30 you go to sleep, half an hour for story time.
Ma'am, the story is also with TC.
Right. Doesn't matter. This looks like a healthy timetable. Yes, it does. I don't know. You'll have to check. Somebody attend the door, please. Okay.
Can you just minimize this activity one? It's the whole thing is empty. Just minimize, yes.
Yeah. That's how you like it.
Can I say now?
Yeah, sure. 1 minute. Let me just write this. 66. Omar's daily routine. Okay. Now everybody, now that you all have an idea of, now that you all have an idea of how.
I can't make another this.
What?
Another line. I tried.
Ma'am,
this
can you show how to
and,
make the table once again?
So
The
I'll show you.
automatic table.
Yes, I'll show you how to make the table once again. Juvelia, share your screen with me. And this time, when I make a new table, I'll take Aisha's routine. Okay. Juvelia, what you do is activity here. Place your cursor on the right hand side towards the end outside the table. Click.
Right
your
click.
no, left click, normal click, but you bring your cursor outside the table.
Ma'am, I did.
On the right hand side.
No, on the right side, where activity is written outside the table. You click one time, your cursor will come over there.
Okay. Ma'am, I did not.
No, you use a mouse or a touchpad, anything that you have.
I use the mouse.
Yes. And outside the table where activity is written, click over there.
Right outside.
Yeah, 1 minute now.
Yeah, there. Enter.
No. Look at her. No.
See. And this
1 minute, 1 minute. Can you see my screen? Yes. Here. I want your cursor here. Yes. Click.
left.
Right. No. Left click. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Now click anywhere on. Now enter.
Enter.
Yeah. There you are. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Let's come to a new table then. Everybody can start working on their table. This looks like a healthy table. Now I'll take up who's
Ma'am, I
name.
do not have Word document. I'm
You
on.
can take a pencil and a paper also. That doesn't matter. Okay. Omar, your timetable looks healthy. So I don't think there is any changes that you need to bring in your timetable. I think this is perfectly okay. Only thing is, I would appreciate if you wake up early.
Yes, ma'am, I wake up early for hips. I didn't mention it. Means I wake up early, I do hips for
Okay.
the 2 to 4 hours.
Right. Hamdan Fazlani, pay attention.
Ma'am, now my or Amnan sir.
No. Hamdan Fazlani, I'm not writing his schedule.
Ma'am, you told that you were writing my schedule.
Yes, I will.
You're writing my schedule.
Arey Baba, why don't you all write your own schedule? Yes. How do I bring my... Okay, anyway. What am I doing? How do I insert the table? Ash!
You go to insert.
I know.
Okay.
You only told you forgot.
All right, so we have made our set. We have written the schedules and the routines that we follow. All right. Now we are framing a healthy one. So out of our schedules, we identify what are our healthy habits and what are our unhealthy habits. So now we are going to try and reschedule what we have in our routine with the healthy one. And those who already have a healthy schedule, we are just making one so that we can print it out later and put it somewhere on the cupboard.
You can put it in this side.
Yeah, I finally cracked it. Okay, Fazlani,
Ma'am,
work.
mine is healthy, so I need to make it again.
I don't know if few things in your schedule are healthy or no. Fazlani, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next to home there is insert at on the toolbar.
Yes. Okay.
I click on insert, then I go on table. It shows a down arrow over there. I click on the down arrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and then how many? One by one.
No, ma'am, I want the automatic one.
So this is automatic.
Ma'am, we press.
Understood. So what you have to do is you have to come here. You have to click here at the end of the second row outside the table. You click and then you press enter. So you get a new row.
Okay, ma'am.
Then again I press outside the last row. I press enter. I get a new row. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Time activity. Come on, let's go. Yeah. I want to frame Yaya's timetable.
Put activity in the middle.
Done. Okay. Yeah, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha Aga, are you working on your routine?
I've already written it.
Okay, but are you writing it in the Word document? Yeah, let's go. What time do you wake up?
Ma'am, I have to
5:45.
make a new routine. Because my
Ma'am, we
We
have
are trying to,
AM
so
and
from,
PM also, na?
yes,
We have to
please
put
mention the
AM.
AM and the PMs.
I have to
Also,
make a
one
new
more
routine.
thing. Yeah.
I have to make a new routine.
So Anas, whatever you identify as unhealthy, like I did a review on your routine and I thought you are spending uh, too much time. There is no assignment time or self-study time in your routine. Okay. Also, there is no time where you're sitting and talking to somebody at your house. So you need to do that. You're playing with your sister, which is a good thing, and your sister's too small. All right. So maybe during playing with your sister, you can speak with your mother as to what
So I
happened,
have to
what
make a
happened,
new
and
routine
something
now.
like that. Yes. So we are not changing your routine completely. We are just removing the unhealthy habits and replacing it with the healthy ones.
Understood, ma'am. Understood.
Perfect. 5:45 a.m. Yaya
Ma'am, can
wakes
I
up.
make now? Can I make now?
Yes, please.
By own.
Yeah. Okay, wake up. Then Yaya.
Ma'am, wake up, brush and freshen up, that all.
Okay.
Then 6 o'clock, I pray namaz.
Salah. Okay.
Then sleep at 6:15. No, 6:10, 6:10.
Okay. Yaya, why do you go to sleep
It
after
is,
Fajr?
ma'am, it is 11:50.
It is? Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I need more time.
Ma'am, we
Look
can
at
do it in the
Gustav.
next class.
We'll continue. You know what? Save it. Everybody. So I'm going to save this. Oh, you all know how to save, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, control
Yes, ma'am.
S.
Just go. Just try to just go
Ma'am,
and
can I
cross
share
it,
my
and then
screen, please?
the
I
option
made
will
it,
Yeah.
come.
There are three ways. There are three ways to save it. Yeah.
Ma'am,
I
just
made it,
press
ma'am.
the cross
Almost, ma'am. I
window
made it,
button and save, and that will
And do you
come.
want to save? You press yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I almost made my thing. Can I show you?
Yes. Abdullah, can you mail it to me? Or rather upload it in the assignment of daily routine. So I can review it over there. Yes? I'm going to save it here.
Yes, ma'am, right 6:10 I sleep.
Next class.
Okay.
Or rather, you know what, Yaya, let's after class or maybe sometime when we are free, we can catch up.
Ma'am, I will write my own routine again, then I will show you.
Yes.
Then
Yes. Okay.
bye, ma'am.
Done. It's daily routine. Bye. Take care,
Bye, ma'am.
everybody.
Take care.
It was
Have a
good.
weekend.
It was good.
you can write Right's daily routine. Right?
I can write right.